Well, this one just scared another passerby. You know, from time to time when we go out, she's so happy that we are out that she will woo-woo to everyone that we meet, or at least the first person that we meet. And of course, lady was a little bit afraid due to this urban wolf woo-wooing 1 meter away from her. But yeah, then she did it another time, but then she was, let's say, lady, calm down, calmed down. Yeah, I just gave up on understanding Liza's actions, behavior. Fuito. You know, let's say, for example, yesterday in the morning, she got her canned food. She ate everything. She got her teeth cleaning stick. She ate it. We went for 3 walks. She got plenty of treats on each of them. Ate all the treats, no problem. Even before our afternoon walk, she went down to grandma and got some leftover chicken. Ate everything. Then in the evening, you could see, she got canned food and string beans, steamed string beans. Ate everything, including the beans. Yeah, she likes them. Lizzy greva, no? She got then another, teeth cleaning stick. Ate it. Then my mom, after dinner, because she doesn't take seconds, but she still wants something, so she usually after dinner she will take some bread and put some marmalade on, or jam, whatever. And she left 1 piece of bread, just bread, nothing on it, on the edge of the counter, and Liza decided to eat that also. So yeah, I mentioned that she got the second teeth stick when she was getting brushed, so she ate that, and then she was still looking around like she is starving, so I gave her like 2/3 of her meal of kibble, her portion of kibble. Let's say that would be more correct word to use. 2/3 of her normal portion of kibble, and she ate everything. Like yesterday she was starving. She would eat the whole day. Today I make her breakfast. No, she will not. Okay, we met Nar in the morning. She got treats. She ate the treats. She also ate the teeth cleaning stick. But yeah, she will not eat her morning portion of kibble. Tuki, fuito. Dila. I like to switch. 1 day of kibble, 1 day of canned food, 1 day of cooked food, or something like that. Or I am, switching between different flavors or brands of canned food and so forth. And yeah, she didn't eat anything in the morning. Then mom put some, I think it's ham in her bowl. I think we can say it's windy. Not very windy, but enough that the breeze are flying around. Yeah, Liza said, did you see that? Ne boš kruha jedla. And yeah, she was eyeing the bread. And yeah, she got to her bowl, looked and sniffed at him and said, nope, not interested in eating today, thank you very much. And yeah, and we are once again, but at least today her stomach isn't growling, so I am assuming that she's still full from yesterday. Okay, she did massive number 2 in the morning, but no grumbling in her stomach. Yeah, I just gave up on understanding her, because with TJ we never had any such problems. He would get his food, he would eat the food, and that would be it. No complaining, no nothing. Well, he would complain if we wouldn't give him the food, but nothing like that. Even on his last day, he ate everything. But this one is built a little bit different, and I cannot replace, due to her malfunctioning wires or programming, because apparently warranty has expired already several years ago, and we are stuck with her. Yeah. So I just hope that in the evening she will decide that okay, it's time to eat. So today I'm planning to make sauerkraut, so cabbage with sausages. She already saw the dog on the other side of the road, and she's interested because the dog isn't on the leash and it's running, so double danger for her. Yeah, so hopefully she will eat. Oh, it's on the leash, very small leash, very thin looking leash. So yeah, hopefully she will eat in the evening or afternoon, or that she will eat her breakfast when little sis will come back from school. So yeah, hopefully. And the green. Okay, let's end on this point.